Hello and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng quick and easy tinapa and salted egg pasta. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step dito sa ating pan, magpe-preheat lang tayo ng about 4 tablespoon ng olive oil. Pagka ganitong mainit na, pwede na nating ilagay itong 5 cloves ng minced garlic. Igigisa lang natin ito. At ilalagay ko na rin itong about 12 pieces ng cherry tomatoes, cut into half. Kung wala kayong cherry tomatoes, pwede na rin gamitin yung ordinaryong kamatis. I-slice nyo lang. So, igigisa lang natin to. Hindi natin masyadong palalambutin yung kamatis. Ayan, ready na yung ating garlic and tomato. Pwede na natin ilagay itong 200 grams ng Tinapa Flakes. At isasama ko na rin itong about 3 pieces ng chopped salted eggs. Sama ko na rin itong 1/4 cup ng pitted olives. At igigisa lang natin ito. Ayan, after 2 minutes ng sauteing, pwede na nating i-add itong 500 grams ng cooked pasta or spaghetti noodles. At hahaluin lang natin ito. Pwede na rin natin itong i-season ng salt to taste. Adjust nyo na lang according to your taste. At pepper to taste. So be careful sa salt nyo kasi maalat na yung tinapa at yung salted eggs. Sasama ko na rin itong about 1/4 cup ng yung pinaglagaan ng noodles. At continue lang natin ang paghalo. And then, pwede na natin ilagay itong chopped parsley. Kung wala kayong parsley, pwede din yung fresh basil leaves. Then, continue lang natin ang paghalo for another 1 minute. Ayan, pag na-absorb na ng pasta yung water na nilagay natin, this one is ready. Pwede na natin itong i-transfer sa ating serving plate. And then lastly, i-garnish ulit natin ito ng fresh parsley on top and yung ating grated Parmesan Cheese. And this one is ready for serving. And there you have it, our quick and easy tinapa and salted egg pasta, best served with garlic bread. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para lagi kayo updated kung mag-upload ako ng videos. Ako po si Aling Oday. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.